Hello guys, how are you doing today? Today what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be plasti dipping my Mustang emblem with a black plasti dip, and I'm just going to overall go over the materials that I use, pretty much the whole process that I did in order to achieve the results that I got. Alright, so first things first, you're definitely going to need to clean up your Mustang emblem, and what I used right here is blue painter's tape, and this is completely unnecessary if you don't want to use this. However, I chose to use this at the time because I just wanted to have an overall clean finish, but my grill was black, so I'm pretty sure it wouldn't really matter, and you definitely can go without the painter's tape. However, if you do want a nice clean finish, I would recommend using the painter's tape, and what you'd want to do is just cover the overall area that you're not going to be spraying. So pretty much just cover everything else besides that actual pony emblem. Alright, so now when it comes to the actual spraying part, basically you just want to shake up the canister, make sure that it's nice and warm. If it was in a cold area, you just want to make sure that the plasti dip is nice and warm, and you just want to spray. The first coat is very light. You want to stay about 4 to 6 inches away from the actual pony emblem, and you just want to do a nice generous light coat for your first coat. And this is pretty much what it should look like once you are done with the first coat. After that, you just want to let it dry in the sun or a nice warm place for about, I would recommend 15 to 20 minutes just to get a nice proper drying. Alright, so now we are on to my third coat, and this is pretty much what it looks like after. And on the third coat you can start to go a little more heavier now. Now it's just pretty much covering everything else, just making sure that there's no silver parts or anything like that. You can go a little more heavy on this coat. This was pretty much the results that you get from the final and third coat. This one is a little more heavier, as you can see right there. On to the second day, I just let it dry overnight just so it can get a nice proper dry in. And basically what you want to do is you just want to start to now take off the blue painter's tape. As you can see how I covered it up, I would recommend definitely go very gentle on this step. As you can see, I was a little rough on it, I was a little eager. Basically I was just trying to get off the blue painter's tape as quickly as possible, but as you will see here that some of the actual plasti dip got stuck on the blue painter's tape and started to pull off the pony emblem. So you just want to be careful with that, making sure that you are taking your time. Right here you can see you want to be careful around the edges, or else you might actually pull off the full-on plasti dip from your pony emblem and you might have to redo the whole entire process. Right here I got a little lucky